Hey everybody, welcome back to the Syria podcast. Today's hot topic is environment. Together with me is my wondrous co-worker, Aldrich.
Hi everyone, I can't wait to dive into our topic today as we have two very special guests together with us, Bob, Bobby, and Bobbies, who have happily come on this podcast to tell us more about the environment.
Okay, Bobbies, can you give us a brief introduction to what climate change is?
Climate change can refer to both global warming and global cooling. It is caused by both human and natural factors such as deforestation and variations in solar outputs.
That is very interesting. Can you tell us more about how nations are trying to combat this change?
One of the more renowned methods is the Kyoto Protocol. It is an international agreement between many countries to work together to combat climate change.
However, recently, the Kyoto Protocol has been replaced by the Paris Climate Agreement. Almost every country has adopted this new agreement and committed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This provides a way for developed countries to help the less developed countries.
Oh, that's very intriguing. Indeed, many nations are working together. However, can you tell me more about what Singapore does to preserve the environment?
Oh, it's very simple. Singapore has various methods, with one of the more effective ones being the construction of green buildings. Green buildings are environmentally friendly and effective in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. One of the green buildings is called the treehouse, and it is basically a vertical garden. These towers are encased in lush foliage that filter pollutants and carbon dioxide out of the air to reduce carbon footprint.
Wow, I never knew Singapore was that technologically inclined. Okay, lastly, how does technology impact the environment?
Firstly, the rise in electrical energy production has resulted in an increase of fossil fuel consumption. The destruction of the ozone layer is due to the large amounts of air pollution, resulting in a big problem of global warming. Production of electronic devices can also be toxic, as chemicals such as mercury and lead are used in the manufacturing process.
Yes, however, people have created effective ways to combat climate change. For example, there is an eco-friendly disposable bag called the Avani biodegradable bag. It is made from cassava root and natural starches, which makes it harmless for animal consumption. This bag also dissolves when in contact with hot water, thus reducing pollution.
Also, a device called the air ink has been developed to be fitted into exhaust pipes of a car to collect its soot. By mixing the black powder with solvents, ink can be made to be used for markers. This reduces greenhouse gas emissions as the byproduct has been recycled to be ink. How useful!
Lastly, there is also a dishwasher called Zero, which uses no electricity and only a small amount of water to clean the dishes. It uses a mere 0.7 gallons of water per load compared to 2.2 gallons used by a typical dishwasher. What a difference! Hence, this reduces water wastage and electrical production, which results in lesser greenhouse gas emissions in the atmosphere.
Wow, there are so many creative ways that can combat climate change. I will definitely get that dishwasher after this one. Haha. That's all for today, folks. See you guys on the next podcast. Don't miss it.